visage is a noun that refers to a person's face, particularly in terms of its appearance, expression, or features. It is often used in a poetic or literary context to emphasize the character or mood conveyed by someone's face. Origins of visage. The word visage comes from the Old French term visage, which means face or appearance. It ultimately derives from the Latin visus, meaning sight or appearance, related to the verb videre, to see. Its elegant and somewhat formal tone makes it a favorite in descriptive writing. How to use visage. Visage is used to describe the visual impression or emotional expression of a face. It often implies that the face reveals something deeper about the person's emotions, thoughts, or character. Example sentences. Her serene visage gave no hint of the turmoil she felt inside. The statue's stern visage seemed to gaze down on the crowd with silent authority. His visage lit up with joy as he reunited with his family. Similar words, countenance, refers to a person's facial expression or demeanor. Face, the front part of the head, including the eyes, nose, and mouth. Expression, the look on someone's face that conveys their mood or feelings. Nuances of visage. Visage often implies more than just the physical features of a face. It suggests the emotions, personality, or aura that a person projects. It can also be used metaphorically to describe the outward appearance of non-human entities, such as a building or a natural scene, giving it a literary and imaginative quality. In essence, visage is a word that transcends mere description, inviting us to see the face not only as a physical form, but as a canvas of expression, emotion, and identity. Subscribe.